Hey guys, Akahilz. We're talking about 76th phase of dual investment launched. It says fellow Binanceans, we're excited to launch the 76th phase of dual investment product. You need to subscribe to dual investment product and enjoy significantly higher interest rates on BTC, ETH, Somatic, ADA, BNB, DOT, BCH, Luna, AVAX, BUSD, and USDT. So subscription starts at 2022 or 0126 10. Subscription format first come first serve basis. So you want to subscribe to the dual investment opportunity now. So it says there's the open exercise targets to users who have a view that the price will not fluctuate above the strike price by the delivery date, or users who want to sell the deposit currency at the strike price. So you have BTC BUSD, which is the alternate currency. You have list of these tokens, which are the deposit currency. You deposit. These are the alternate currency. You can also deposit. Strike price is going to be between 38 to 54,000. ETH 2,500 to 4,100, and delivery day is going to be on March 25th. So those are some things you want to know about. So guys, the down exercise. The down exercise targets users. Say users have a view that price will not fluctuate below the strike price by the delivery date, or users who want to buy the alternate currency at the strike price. So these are the alternate currency, but the deposit currency here for down exercise are usually stable currencies. So the alternate currency would be BTC, ETH, and more. So strike price range between 18,000 to 36,000, meaning these tokens users have a view that the price will not fluctuate below the strike price, and users might want to buy this alternate currency at the strike price. So the delivery date is going to be same March 25th as of recording. These are the tokens, guys. To note the introduction to dual investment glossary. There's a detailed calculation here you want to take note of. The strike price is fixed and we may not stop accepting new subscriptions when the difference between the spot price and strike price is small. So the APY will be changing in a real time depending on the market fluctuation before subscription, but locked in once the subscription is done. The dual investment products cannot be redeemed early. So deposit and cryptocurrency, the currency you use to subscribe to a dual investment product. The alternate currency, the currency you will be receiving if the product is exercised. So if the product is not exercised, you will be receiving it in deposit currency. So you need to take note of this explanation. I'm going to go over it again. So the strike price uh, is fixed. We will not stop accepting new subscriptions. One, so the APY will be changing the annual percentage yield in real time depending on the market fluctuation before the subscription, but locked in once the subscription is done. So dual investment products cannot be redeemed early. It's going to be till the due date. So deposit currency, the currency you use to subscribe to a dual investment product. Alternate currency is the currency you'll be receiving if the product is exercised. So if the product is not exercised, you will be receiving in deposit currency. So we have cryptocurrency trading is subject to a high market risk. So this is a disclaimer you want to take note of. That's all, guys. Hope you understand this basics. I'll be dropping a link so you can start utilizing the dual investment option. One love, guys. Peace out.